Myself is Bindisha. I am from Ahmedabad and I work with Prudent since last 9 years. Previously, I was with a bank. I was working as a personal banker there. I look after 350 group of customers who are dependent on me on the financial planning needs. See, mutual fund was the need of the client during those days, during the year 2009-10, when people or the clients were asking for mutual funds and SIPs. There was nobody to guide them or help them for this because there was no awareness if banks were not promoting mutual funds. So that was one of the reason of my entering because of the client requirements. And after that, being a part of Prudent was a choice of my husband. He said, or he might have come to know about Prudent from one of his friends, and due to that only I had joined as a Prudent partner. See, being a lady, it was a bit challenging to manage both the personal life as well as professional life. I had certain responsibilities at home. I have 2 daughters, my in-laws with me, whom I have to take care of. So the priority was home, but again, the challenging role was as a working lady as well, to manage clients' money, to do the transactions from then as and when they required, and acquiring clients and all. Fund Bazaar is a blessing for a working lady because she can do all the client transactions, be it in acquisition, be it in investments, be it a redemption, or maybe any changes in the existing investments. We can even give them reports handy. So this is a very good platform which helps the customer as well as me as a partner. Anytime, even if I'm traveling, if I'm at home, at office, I can do all the transactions of my clients on Funds Bazaar. I have 95% of my clients, more than that rather, 99% of my clients on Fund Bazaar, onboarded on Fund Bazaar. There are many features in Partner Desk. There are n number of reports which are being trained to us or which are being informed to us about, what are the benefits of this report. But the most important report which I give to my customers or which is beneficial for me as in for my business is the portfolio asset allocation report. It gives me to give my client the overall financials planning which I do for them, overall as to where their wealth would be growing after 5, 10, 15, 20 years, where I have done the asset allocation. Either it is a debt fund, it's an equity fund, it is a hybrid fund. So it tells me as to, it helps me to give my client the future projections along with a detail about the past performance of the schemes. So this is what I mostly give to my new clients as well as the old client. I always like to have a travel at least twice a year. Traveling has never been an issue for my business. Even if I'm managing it single-handedly, it has never been an issue that being into a business, I could not travel, I have to take leave, I cannot go out for 10 days trip or something. That has never been a hassle for my traveling hobby. I can travel anytime, anywhere I want, which is all my clients' transactions through my mobile itself. So that has never been an issue for me. I have been able to manage around 500 group of clients rather. They are a group of families which I am managing. I have around more than 95% of my customers on Fund Bazaar. So I have around 700 to 800 accounts on Fund Bazaar, wherein I am managing them and managing a wealth of around 70 crores of my all customers, and again managing an SIP book also of around 70 lakhs monthly. So this helps me, and the growth which I have got since last 9 years, every year I used to be a part of Prudent awards and recognition ceremonies and all. Me and my husband since last 15 years had thought of taking a retirement early. It is known as FIRE, Financial Independent Retire Early. So we were on the path of achieving FIRE. Since last 15 years we have been working on this path, doing our financial planning regularly, evaluating the financial planning which we have already done, whether it is sufficient or not, and because of constantly giving some time to our money management things or the financial planning, we have been able to achieve the financial freedom at the age of 43. We are looking forward to the same kind of financial freedom for all our customers, and that is the vision which we are looking forward to. Next 5-10 years, we want to make our customers financially free so that we can guide them accordingly. We can give them good services as well as good investment option to create a wealth, to have a good financial freedom into their journey of life. being an MFD, I get self-confidence. I feel that no, this is the right. And yes, I would definitely like to thank my husband for telling me to leave the job and start something of my own, and that too as a financial planner, to start such a good business wherein I am free for my priorities, which is my household priorities and managing my clients as well. So managing both the family as well as the business is only possible being an MFD, and of course with the hand holding of Prudent and Fundspizza, my life is very smooth. Prudent as per me is approachable. I would like to congratulate the entire Prudent team for achieving this benchmark. This is just the starting. There is a long way to go. ये तो बस शुरुआत है. अभी तो बहुत आगे जाना है. Not only Prudent, for me also, this is just the starting point. I have to reach and achieve to my goals, and definitely we would and we can definitely do it.